everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about preconditioning. That means how to do preconditioning and why should we do preconditioning before shampooing our hair. So as the name itself suggests, preconditioning means that we are conditioning our hair before wash. So why do we do preconditioning? We do preconditioning for two reasons. One, it helps in reducing hair fall problem, and second, it provides luster to our hair. That means it makes our hair shiny and smooth and silky. Now preconditioning can be done using oil and conditioner, but I always prefer to use oil for doing preconditioning. So whenever you wash your hair, make sure that you precondition your hair using any oil. You can use any oil for the same, right? So if you have frizzy hair, then you should always do preconditioning because it allows your hair to become smooth and silky and shiny, and at the same time if your hair won't tangle, then obviously the hair fall will also reduce. So always do preconditioning. So now let's have a look at how do we have to do preconditioning. One thing which you always have to remember is that in preconditioning, the technique, the method is very important. So please watch the following video very carefully and listen to all my instructions and try to do preconditioning in the same way in which I am now showing it to you. So the first step in preconditioning is to wet your hair. So for wetting your hair, you can take plain water and put it in a spray bottle and spray it all over your hair. Make sure that you are spraying your hair, the length of your hair, not the scalp, because whatever oil we are going to apply it on the hair length, not on the scalp. So make sure that you wet your hair, let's say 30-40%. सो टेक्निकली जैसे हम कहते हैं, हम पार्लर में जाते हैं तो वो स्प्रे बॉटल से हमारे सारे बाल गीले करते हैं बिफोर कटिंग आवर हेयर. सो इन द सेम वे वी हैव टू वेट आवर हेयर. इतना भी गीला नहीं करना है कि पानी बिल्कुल टपकने लग जाए. सो मेक श्योर दैट योर हेयर आर क्वाइट वेट, जस्ट लाइक आई एम डूइंग इट राइट नाउ हेयर. कीप स्प्रेइंग वाटर more and more on your entire hair length. Once your hair would be wet, then you have to apply oil. As I said, you can use conditioner and oil, but I always prefer to use oil. So after wetting your hair, you have to apply oil in the same way. Now what you have to do for that is you have to take out few drops of oil on the palm of your hand and then emulsify that oil in your hand just like this, and then you have to apply it all over your hair length. ऑलराइट. सो ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने ऑयल लिया और उसको बस अपने बालों पर ही डायरेक्ट लगा लिया. पहले आपको अपने हाथ में लेके उसे रब करना है एंड देन यू हैव टू apply it all over your hair length, as in I am doing it now. तो अगर और लेना पड़ जाता है, take more quantity and then again apply it throughout your hair length evenly. So after this, you have to tie your hair and keep it there for 5 to 10 minutes. Here I would like to add one thing, that you should always shampoo your hair on a regular basis. So if you have short hair, you should shampoo before doing preconditioning on a daily basis, and if you have long hair, then you can do preconditioning and shampooing every alternate day. Now as you can see, I have tied up my hair with a clutch, and now I will be doing my regular household chores. After 10 minutes, I'm going to use any shampoo in order to wash my hair. Now the best shampoo for using is any shampoo which is paraben free and sulfate free. So try to wash your hair from any shampoo. I use this shampoo for washing my hair, for cleaning my hair basically. Now why I'm saying washing, because whenever you have to clean your hair, you have to make sure that you are doing shampooing just like you're washing clothes. So जिस तरीके से, बहुत अच्छी तरीके से आपने शैम्पू करना है ताकि आपका सारा ऑयल भी निकल जाए और जब आप उसे रिंस करेंगे तो आपका सारा शैम्पू भी निकल जाए. ठीक है, शैम्पू रहना नहीं चाहिए बिल्कुल भी बालों में, अदरवाइज इट विल डैमेज योर हेयर. So now I have washed my hair with the shampoo, and I will allow my hair to get dry naturally. I'm not going to use any blower. So this was about how do we precondition our hair. Two things to note down here is that we do preconditioning to condition our hair before we wash it, and we shampoo our hair to clean our hair, right? So the main purpose of shampooing is just to clean our hair, nothing else. So for that matter, you can use any shampoo, whichever you think you can afford and can use for your hair, because shampoo never ever allows your hair or provides any kind of nutrition to your hair. It never plays a major role in reducing hair fall issues, right? So you can use any shampoo, because the main task of shampoo is just to clean your hair. If you have too frizzy hair, I would also recommend you to use a serum once you use shampoo. So the first step for you then, it would be to precondition your hair using any oil. Second, leave it for 10 minutes, and then the second step is you should shampoo it. And then after shampooing, please put 2 to 3 drops of serum depending upon your hair length. Now as you can see, I haven't applied anything right now. I just washed my hair. It is tangle free, and even there is no hair fall, right? So this is basically the effect of preconditioning. Now the effect of preconditioning could be seen once you'll start doing it, and within 2 or 3 wash, I would say that you'll start experiencing a great reduction in your hair fall. So if you like this trick and tip, then give this video a thumbs up, share this video among all your friends, and do subscribe my channel right now. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.